How many heads you got? Prophesize my doom for the damn string. Oh, Tiles. Oh no, get under. No! Sorry for yelling. Try! Oh, we still shot the bullets. No! Way to miss. Oh, that was kind of close as hell. I didn't have smoke on. I had get the shit beat out of me on. By the way, I was flying. It looked like I had smoke on because I got hit so many times and my engine was failing. No, I can't see. It's too many things. My brain turns off. My brain's like, I ain't doing this shit anymore. What are you making me look at all this crap for? Is this gonna hit? Oh my god. What a waste of potential. Just like me.